Hey guys, it's Ralph with Stray Benzes. Today I got a nugget of information for you about how to decode the VIN tag as well as the option code tag on your classic Benz. In the description you'll find a couple of websites that might be helpful for you to do the same. So let's get started. Here it is, a W126 model in white. Let's take a look at the codes. So first things first, here is where you will find the VIN. There we go. There's one website that you can jump on, and I'll show you what the code might mean. And here is the option code tag right under the hood in front of the radiator. And well, from the VIN website I was able to say it's a 1989 420 SEL that has got the M116 engine, the V8 4.2 liter in it, the transmission the 722.3, and with a leather median red in with a code 267, and Arctic white, which you can see, that is the very bright white 147 code, delivered in 1988 in October, and approximate build date was October 1988. That's a very helpful website, and that at least lets you get started here with the decoding of this code. For instance, let's start here. The 126 is the chassis number. This code I couldn't find, but this one right here is the 267 code that is indicative of the median red leather. The 115 I could not find. The 239 one is for the Michelin tires that were installed on this, and the 147 is the Arctic white. Let's go right here to the 412. 412 is the electric sunroof with tilting mechanism. The 413 is the illumination, which means that's the actual just the straight sliding roof without the mechanism. So this one overrides that one. Then we have the 491 code is a US model version car. The 519 is a Becca radio, the Mexico with cassette. 551 is the anti-theft with anti-theft system that's installed here. The 588 code is for the automatic climate control unit with power windows, and the 600 is the headlamp washer system. 241 is the left and 242 the right front memory seat. 291 is the airbag on the driver and passenger side, and then 809 had Bhutan, but I don't know what that means, and 812 is the sound package from Bose. So there you have it. This is the option code deciphered. All the codes that I got and that I showed you, I got out of this one website, and there are various websites that you can look up, but for your convenience I put it in the description of this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, tell others about the website, or the YouTube site I should say, and have a great day, and keep your classic Benz on the road. That's all I can say. Take care, guys. Bye.